So we're going to go over crocodile breathing. If you have plantar fasciitis, this is a great exercise to use before your glute priming exercises. So we call it a pre-primer exercise. There's a ton of reasons for this. Link is in the description in our free plantar fasciitis book. If you haven't read it, go check it out. But I'll show you how to do it first. So we're going to go down all the way on your belly, and then you can either make a diamond with your hands or you can stack fists together and rest your head in there. First step is to relax everything down like you're melting into the ground. And then I want you to focus on breathing into your belly and into the ground through your nose. So in through your nose, fill up the belly, out through your nose, let everything relax. As you go through a few breaths here, keep in mind everything apart from your breathing muscles should be turned off. So if you find that your shoulders are creeping up towards your ears, relax them down, and then continue nasal breath into the floor, out, and everything relaxes. We're going to do this for about a minute. Remember, this is not a very effortful exercise, so you don't need to be doing 10 minutes of this, but it's a good, like I said, pre-primer to your glute exercises. So try this for about a minute. We'll do it once a day for a week, right before you get into your glute exercises.